Hello everyone, this week's arrangement really brings with it the hope of spring, and it's another in my Artist in Residence series where I've collaborated with my friend, the artist, Rose Electra Harris. And I've also used this arrangement to represent a conversation I've had with Rose all about space and how important the placement of where you put a piece of art or a bunch of flowers are in your home. And you can watch that conversation either on social media or in your account page. So onto the flowers in this glorious arrangement. We have some really beautiful white magnum blooms. We then have some beautiful yellow LA lilies which perfectly match the white of the blooms. Filling out the middle is some bushy textural solidago. Next are these beautiful snapdragons or antirrhinums that add a little bit of structure and height. Very seasonal is this beautiful pussy willow. When your arrangement's finished, you can actually whip it out, put it in a vase without any water, and it will last for years and years and years, possibly forever. Finishing it off, we've got some lovely irises, and what I love about them, they've got some nice yellow in the centre, which picks out the yellow of the solidago and the LA lilies. Always remember your flower care. You've got to snip an inch off the end of all your stems. You've got to use room temperature water, fill your vase about a third full, and use your flower food. And I'm going to start with my 3 blooms arranged evenly around the edge of the vase, whipping off any lower leaves. I'm then going to carry this shape on, facing my solidago opposite each other. And then I'm going to do the same with my lilies, creating a bit of a square with my solidago. And we now have a nice structural outer bottom layer of our arrangement, which we can build on in the center using our lovely stem grid in the middle for support. Into the middle, in an even triangle, go my nice structural snapdragons. Next up, I can fill the gaps in between my antirrhinums with my even taller pussy willow. We've got some really nice layering going on at different heights. And then finishing it off, I can just drop my 2 irises sort of in the middle wherever you fancy. Whip off the nets of your blooms very delicately. Pop. Very nice. And then give it a few days, maybe up to a week, and your arrangement's going to start looking a little more open like this. So I really hope you love it. Spring is on the way, I can feel it, and this arrangement really evokes it. See you next time.